today, I just want to share this amazingness that come to mind this morning. I've made this many, many years ago, and those little instruments I stick on there because I actually wanted to put a violin on, but I couldn't find the right one. So I found all these little music instruments. And one morning I came into the room and I see one of these have broken off, and I keep on forgetting to put it back. And this morning I saw it again and I remind myself, oh, I must stick this thing back. And then I realized, oh wow, trumpet. And it was like, no, but a trumpet doesn't look like that. So that's the trumpet. But it's this one that came off. And I decided to go and Google and look what it actually is. And as I go through it, on Google, I took a little picture of it and asked Google, what's it called? Because I'm not into music like that. And it said, it's a French horn. And immediately came to mind Macron. And it was like, oh my goodness, what if that guy is going to stand up in some way, shape or form? Because even the area that the thing is like, it's something laying down, just waiting to open his mouth. And I said, oh Lord, this is so amazing. Although those big sound is there, is still underneath the sound of the trumpet. And maybe the Lord is warning us that there's going to stand up something that's going to make a big noise before the trumpet sound. So I hope and pray that we are ready for that day, because there's so many signs that show us that the end is near. So I pray that you will find this also very interesting, and that you will just be ready, because it doesn't matter what the enemy is trying to do. We know there's someone much greater and stronger and more powerful. And I will put in the description box what they show, the difference between that and that. And that was like so amazing, because that have a big mouth and it makes the sound in F, and that makes a sound in the B. So the B is the bread of life. And that, if you take 3 F's and you put it next to each other, it's 666. So maybe God is preparing us to wake up, because there's going to come a day when that truth is going to be revealed. And then that is the sound, the voice of the bread of life that's going to call us out. Be ready and be in so much joy waiting for that day, because I believe it is very, very soon. Be prepared.